What's up, everybody? Welcome to another amazing video. This is Benjamin's mom. We are showing you our daily walk down our street. Some beautiful trees there, the mountains in the background. Little Newmer, my shadow. Yep, we walk here every day. There's a coyote family that lives back there somewhere. We can hear them howling at night. Is that Dad?
Yeah.
There's Raymond coming right there. Here's some more Benjamin. We are, there's Benjamin's dad. Ooh, and some cherries, some Okanagan cherries. Thank you. All right.
Tenderloin wrapped in bacon.
Oh, nice.
Man, do you want to keep talking now?
Sorry for the interruption. Okay, let's keep going.
So that's our neighbor's house. Really? Whoa, stop them. Jeez. Really super nice people. Cute dog, but a very loud dog.
Yeah.
Named Bella. I'll be back in a minute.
No thanks. Bye.
Bye. Really good cherries. We're very blessed to live in the Okanagan, Kelowna, BC, where all kinds of fresh fruit is grown. Amazing fruit.
Mom, I'm lagging. My game's lagging. Sorry guys, my game lagged. I lost my internet connection.
Benjamin just made me a Club Penguin account. Club Penguin Online. What's my character again?
Sunflower Mom.
Sunflower
All one
Mom.
word, no capitals.
Sunflower Mom. All one word, no capitals. Come hang out with us sometime. Ben is the Mad Skills.
Yep, with a Z.
Mad Skills with a Z. All one word.
No caps.
No caps. And what was Cody's? It was like
Monkey Punch.
Monkey Punch. That's right. What's Dakota's?
Buggy Bye, but it's Bugibai. Buggy Bye.
So come sometime and play Club Penguin with us. I'm still learning. We were at the skate park and I meant to change my shoes and suddenly I was wearing no clothes.
Yep.
As a penguin. I'm not sure how. Still learning. Tried to do some Minecraft.
Pardon?
I was just saying I was trying to do some Minecraft, but I'm not as quick as the young folks are. Nice face. So yeah, this is just a short little walk. Depending on how fast you go. I mean, it could be 5 or 6 minutes.
I like to go down.
Sometimes if
Vroom, vroom.
it's a little harder for weather reasons, it can get really slippery on the street. You go a little slower.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, viewers.
Hello, viewers. Sometimes we walk more than once. Where we live, there isn't a super easy place to walk on the main street. You can walk to the mall. You have to switch sides because there's only sidewalk through part of it. But in the other direction, which actually has more interesting places to go, there's no bike lane and no sidewalk. And the speed limit is 70 kilometers an hour for the cars. So we tried it once and decided that we weren't going to do that again. Nice. This is 4 minutes and 26 seconds. Should I keep going? Okay. There's an orchard back there. And that's orchard too.
I'm gonna go see Prince Charles.
Oh yeah, there's a neighbor cat. Ouch. Sorry, scratch myself. Named Prince Charles.
Yeah, he's so cute.
He's cute.
He's a little orange kitty.
He's an orange kitty.
Well, not little. He's
but he
actually
always
huge.
takes a poop in my flower bed. So we only grow flowers in there, no vegetables. which is what I really wanted to grow. I don't want no bird crap in my garden. None. I don't want none. I don't want none. I don't want no bird. No, not bird crap, sorry. Cat crap. Anyway, we're very blessed to have a beautiful place in Kelowna to call home. What's your next video series you're gonna do, Ben?
Pardon?
What's your next video series you're gonna do?
I don't know. You guys, since this is on my second channel, not my first channel, we can have a discussion about it on my discussion page. If you go to my channel, click discussion, then yeah, you can ask me some questions.
Nice.
Q&A type stuff.
Very
Might
good.
do a Q&A. There's enough questions. So yeah, go do that.
Sounds good. I smell something on a
Pizza.
barbecue somewhere. You smell pizza? I smell steak. I smell
Smells like
steak.
inside a pizza place.
Yeah, it does kind of. Lots of people barbecuing this time of year. Yeah, that's definitely barbecue. It smells really good. I don't think it could be Dad yet because he just got that food. But smells yummy. Is that the bike you won, Ben?
Yeah, got viewers one time. I won a bike at a school of like every single person in the school, and we were in gym class, and on the announcements they're like, we would like to announce our winners for the bike raffle, and the whole class was like, so excited. And then yeah, they're all squealing. It's really weird. And they're like, and the winner is Benjamin Ulrich, and everyone's like, what? They're kind of confused, and then the one kid, his name was Jacob, went woo really loudly, and everyone started clapping. And they brought me down to the office, and they were like, "Here's your bike." I was like, "I don't know what to do with this right now." Like, okay, you can just like go lock it up at the thing. And they gave me a bike lock, and I lost it. Really.
And you had a helmet, a really super
Yeah.
nice helmet.
And I had such a cool helmet. It was like all black, and it had like white checkers, boards, stuff on it. It was so cool. And my brother didn't Cody take it to his friend's house once?
I don't know. I don't know why he would, because it would have been too small.
Yeah. One time my brother took that helmet to his friend's house, and I never got it back. Big sad.
This bike is looking a little rusty on the chain and a little probably short for you now, Ben. It was pretty cool to win a brand new bike. Although it was too big at the time, so Ben had to wait a while to be able to ride it.
And then another time, one time my teacher, he was like, "Oh Ben, do you want to come down to the office with me for a minute?" I thought I was in big trouble. So I was like, okay. And I went down to the office. He's like, "Do you want this bike?" And it's just a cool orange bike. And I was like, sure. So I got a free bike. Now I've gotten 2 bikes from A.S. Matheson. I mean, not A.S. Matheson, Dorothea Walker.
Dorothea Walker and Mr. Sadlowski.
Yeah.
Well, Ben, you want to wrap this up? There's not really much else to it.
Okay, everyone. Thank you all so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so every time I upload something, you get notified. Thank you. Bye-bye.